Hi friends, we have recently ordered TP-Link AC750 wireless router, and this has a dual band facility, and for one band is 433 Mbps capacity and second band is 300 Mbps capacity, and it has superior coverage and router plus AP plus RE multiple modes are there, and easy setup with Tether app. Okay, we need to see all these things, and once we are seeing all these things we will definitely let you know. And we got it for 1499 rupees only from Amazon. Yeah, maybe some instructions are given here. Multiple mode functioning, so how it will be function. So for router mode, internet, and then it can be used for laptops and mobile phones also. And for access point, first we need to connect to internet to router, and then this router, and it will be connected to that means laptops. And one more external extended mode, so this is for router to router and then laptop. Okay, so these are the features. So now we are going to connect the router mode only. That means we have a direct line connection, so after that we can enjoy the wireless facility. So this is the fastest thing. So it has shown like this is the fast Ethernet. Yeah, some ports are here, power port and reset port, power on off, Wi-Fi. So these lights will glow off, and Ethernet or WAN port is there, and some Ethernet LAN ports are also there, so they can also connect. And strong for reaching Wi-Fi. So these are the things in which way it can be used. So 300 Mbps on 2.4 gigahertz and 433 Mbps on 5 gigahertz. So Wi-Fi for reliable connections. Yeah, so the 300 one can be connected to only one laptop, and this may be connected to even laptop, and some message sending properties are also there. So I have inquired with my cable operator, I mean internet provider, and he has suggested this thing. So let us see how this will work, and I will let you know the result feedback after using it, and I will share that in the another video. Yeah, it has given 3 years of warranty, and a toll free is also there. Okay, so these are the features of this, and we will see how it will work once we have used it. That will be covered in the feedback thing. Okay, thank you. So let us see by opening this item, and what are the different things involved in it. Okay, these are the things we have obtained. Yeah, this is the router TP-Link, and one quick installation guide has been given. Maybe this is the general license notice.
Aeson.
Yeah, this is the cable he has given for us,
Charger.
and yeah, this is the charger, or we can call it as adapter also.
చెప్పనా charger అని?
Yes, this is charger only, adapter.
Charger only.
That's all. Yeah, 3 things are there, so you can do like this. So this is the router. So these are the things we have obtained. So one is the router box and cable, of course the charger or adapter, and quick installation guide. So that's all. So it's very lightweight and it's very nice, very easy to use, I guess. So let's see once we have used it.